A legal fight is brewing between the faithful and Satanists who are planning to celebrate a black mass in Kansas. The group, called the Satanic Grotto, wants to use the state capitol for its satanic rituals. The Catholic Archbishop Joseph Naumann has sued the group, alleging that they have unlawfully obtained a consecrated host and wine. Joining us now for more is Chuck Weber, Executive Director of the Kansas Catholic Conference. Thank you for joining us today, Chuck.
Great to be with you.
Well, first, some good news to report regarding that consecrated host. It seems that the group does not have one. Is that correct?
That's right. So we had a legal proceeding this morning in Leavenworth State District Court, about an hour from Topeka, Kansas, where I'm located. And basically, we called the bluff of this satanic leader and said, look, if you have the Eucharist, you need to tell us that. And so we got him on the stand and we asked him the question point blank under oath, and he denied having it. So this guy works for the Prince of Lies, right? We don't know if he's telling the truth or not, but we have it on the record now that he says he does not have the sacred Eucharist, and that he will not have the sacred Eucharist in the near future.
Still, the Satanic Grotto is planning on holding the Black Mass. How are Catholics responding in Kansas?
Yeah, I don't really know what constitutes a Black Mass, but everything that I've read, they must have a Eucharist, a consecrated host, what we believe is the body and blood, soul, and divinity of Christ. So we don't believe that a Black Mass is going to happen. We don't know exactly what they're going to do on Friday, March 28th. The way that we're responding is that we're asking people to come here to Topeka if they would like. Assumption Catholic Church is located directly across from the Capitol. We were going to have an adoration hour, a holy hour, starting at 11 a.m. and then Mass at noon. We have a Mass here every day at noon. Archbishop will be here for that Mass. And we just want a peaceful, prayerful presence, no conflict with the satanic people or any of the bad guys whatsoever. So prayer, fasting, and abstinence.
Well, the governor of Kansas recently issued a directive ordering that this so-called Black Mass be held outside the Capitol, not in the rotunda as originally planned. But she also said that she has a duty to protect the First Amendment rights of citizens. Legally, can this be seen as an abuse of the First Amendment?
Well, earlier this week, a lot of developments have unfolded here at the state capitol. Our attorney general came forward and said that at the time, we had reason to believe that this satanic group had stolen the Eucharist from the Catholic Church. So if that was the case, then this is stolen property, and also they were going to desecrate it or destroy it. And under those guidelines that the attorney general outlined, that this event should not go forward. Now, I don't know how that affects what happened this morning, because I think that we are fairly comfortable that they do not have the Eucharist, but we didn't like, first of all, that they were allowed in the Capitol in the first place. And then they moved it outside and they said, oh, this is better. Well, it's like moving something really, really bad from your living room to your front porch. That didn't sit well with us at all. So now we do not believe a Black Mass is going to happen. We don't know what the Satanists are going to do on March 28th. We're going to be ready with prayer, fasting, abstinence, Mass, the sacraments.
Chuck Weber, thank you so much for that update.
You're welcome.